EAT-ERTAINMENT is very popular right now. It's basically about getting people back together, friends and family, and it's all about what are we cooking, and more importantly, what are we grilling, and how are we exploring those flavors using our Weber seasoning. So in front of me here you see a great spread where we got many proteins as well as veggies, and they're all seasoned with our Weber seasoning. On our chicken here, our grilled chicken, we've got a little spicy kick to it using our kickin' chicken seasoning. Add that little spicy kick at the end. On our steak, with steaks, you got to go with the Chicago classic seasoning. It's pretty much the standard. It's a really good constant when you're seasoning your steak for that great taste. But if you want to try something a little new, and again, we talk about as we're getting, with lockdown, as things start easing up and we have more people over, friends and family, and we want to kind of blow their minds with what we can create on the grill, you can go with our cowboy season and rub, which is going to give you a little bit of coriander, cocoa, and cumin. It's going to give an earthy, rustic flavor to your steaks. When it comes to grilling, we always want to talk about veggies too. We don't want to just go with the meats. We want to talk about what we can do with veggies. So on the grill, you're going to get a nice, it's going to bring out that nice sweetness with your vegetables. And to complement your veggies, if you're doing something like corn on the cob on the grill, or if you're doing potatoes, we have our garlic Parmesan seasoning from Weber that is excellent. To get more information on our seasonings, you can go to weberseasonings.com. And as always, happy grilling.